If you've been dealing with dark spots and you've been seeing this moisturizer everywhere, the beauty formulas vitamin C brightening daily moisturizer everywhere, and you've been thinking of getting it, I'm going to be telling you in this video if it is actually worth your money. Okay, I already spent my money so that you won't have to spend yours if there is no need for it. So hi bestie, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sugar and you're welcome to another very interesting video. If this is your first time here, of course you're definitely welcome. Please make sure to click on that join button to be an exclusive member of this family. Also consider clicking on that thanks button that comes with a dollar sign to help me to continue to bring videos like this to you. So first things first, like I would always like to start off, okay, I mean the color looks cool, not so bad, but first things first, okay you guys, let's talk about what this product actually claims. Okay, what beauty formula says that this product is and what it is supposed to do. It says it is a light hydrating cream for soft supple skin every day. The beauty formula's brightening vitamin C daily moisturizer is supposed to deliver an advanced skincare range to help you reveal your inner glow, actively formulated with a vitamin C complex to provide the goodness your skin needs to thrive and look bright, fresh, and invigorated. Our daily moisturizer is made with a combination of effective moisturizers to quickly rehydrate your skin. It is light, elegant, and non-greasy. It smoothly absorbs to your skin quickly, dash, and then there goes the directions and everything. So they are basically saying that it is supposed to be brightening. It is supposed to offer you all the amazing benefits that vitamin C gives to your skin, like brightening your dull skin, reducing inflammations where possible, just to a significant extent, and also hydrating. Okay, I mean, for a product that is called a moisturizer, the use of the word hydrating is really very overwhelming on this product, even on the pack itself. Okay. On here it says that it is light, but honestly you guys, let's just see it together. This doesn't look like light to me, so it is actually thick in consistency, except wait, did I get the fake? Because you guys, one of the things that icks me about this product, even when I got it, okay, from the shop before I paid or right after I made payment, I opened it to check, and it was the smell. I don't even know what I can use to describe the smell, because the smell is not nice. It's actually awful. So I'm beginning to think I probably bought fake of this thing from these people, oh, because I don't understand. I don't understand. It doesn't smell very nice, you guys. The smell is not one of the most pleasing, but the only good thing is that it fades off in less than 5 to 10 seconds. Even before you're done applying it all over your face, you're not perceiving the smell again. But it is actually thick. The only very good thing again for it is that it absorbs easily into your skin. I would say it's also all skin friendly because it's not sticky, it's not greasy, so it means that it is not going to clog your pores or anything like that. And for the most important part of this video for me, and which I believe should be for you as well, because I mean this is exactly why you clicked into this video to watch it, my own experience from using this product. I started using this product, this is the month of March. I think I started using this product late February, around second to third week of February. I would call it a month, that I've been using it for a month. I used it for the first week and I kind of didn't know if I was getting any result. Like it just did there. Like I cannot even say, it was just there. So I stopped using it and I became quite inconsistent. But after like a week and a few days again, I decided to say, you know what, let me actually try this thing. Isn't it practice what you preach? So I decided to say, let me try it again and just give it a little time. And since I decided to start becoming consistent again, I've been using it for the past 2 weeks. And honestly, you guys, did this thing improve my skin tone? It did change my skin tone. My father, you guys, I'm sure that if you're an OG on this channel, if you're wondering why my face looks like this, okay, even if I'm going to be doing a little editing on this video, of course, to color grade it a little bit, but even with the color grading, you'll be able to tell that there's a difference in my skin tone and in my appearance. This messed my skin completely. If you've known me for the longest here on this channel, you know that I always talk about how I do not like to change my skin complexion. I have this sweet olive skin complexion. I do not want it to go brighter than that. I do not want it to go darker than that. But this one, in fact, I don't even know, it did not take me higher and it did not leave my skin where it met it. Okay, you guys, it changed my skin tone from what you can see. And from that first week that I started using it, which is also something I told you I noticed, okay, which is why I also had to stop it after using it for that first few weeks. And which is that, you guys, it did not give me any glow, first of all. And then I noticed that I began to have these rashes immediately on my face. Okay, now I know how I've been living my life before now, and the only thing that changed at the time was not my lifestyle or anything, but the skincare products I was using. Before now, I've been using the other one, Face Facts, and I wanted to, start using that one only at night, which was also what prompted me to get this so that I can use it during the day. But within that first 7 days of using this, people saw me outside and they began to ask, what is going on? You're having rashes all over your face. All this small, 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 small. If you know me as somebody who has acne, whenever I have acne, it's going to come out small. You know that it's acne, and after a while, a few days or few weeks, it goes back, it dries up. But this one, look guys, if you look at my face, let me come a bit closer. If you look at my face, you still see that feeling of, okay, you still see how rough my skin texture has become. Like someone who has little rashes. Yes, this is the culprit. Oh yeah, na him do am. Okay, it messed with my skin tone entirely, honestly, you guys. But one thing I'm going to give for this is that it is actually hydrating. Okay, like whether I use it during the day or at night, it gives me that hydrating look that I want. If my skin is feeling, very hot, like you're just coming back, okay, from under the sun, and you're stepping into your house, you quickly cleanse your face and apply this. It is actually gives you that soothing feel at that time. But generally, you guys, this one. It hasn't been a very pleasant experience. And the reason why it even looks like my face is better is because I've had to go back to using my regular face cream, okay, that I've been using currently for a while now. I had to go back to using it every single day, like morning and night, for me to even get this at all. However, am I saying throw this into the trash entirely? Not exactly. Personally, for me, this only also goes to tell me that the brand beauty formula is not particularly for me, except, of course, again, what I'm holding is the fake. And I'm definitely going to be researching on that. If I find that there is a fake of it in circulation, I'm also going to make a video here for you to help you differentiate between the fake and the original. But for now, hoping that this is the original. Beauty formula is not for me. The first time I used their face scrub, I had the same terrible experience of all these irritations, changing my skin tone, changing even my skin's texture, making it look very rough, especially for someone who already, okay, before using any of their products, has a texture skin. I have large skin pores. Your product is now making my skin to get even more textured and rough, looking all bumpy, and oh my gosh, you guys, it's been crazy. But however, if you are just starting out skincare, this I think is beginner friendly, okay, especially if you have a dark skin. So I'll say this is safe for people who have dark skin. Of course, if you have acne on your face, you do not want to use this until you've cleared out the acne on your face as well. Is this good for sensitive skin? I would say maybe, if you do not really have anything that you're treating, like dark spots, hyperpigmentations, breakouts, okay, like you don't have any active skincare concern, you just need something that is going to be hydrating, that you can use every day on your face, then maybe you might consider using this. You guys, I'm feeling so bad, sort of. Will I say bad, or I don't really feel so good, because I think this is the very first product, okay, in all my years of talking about skincare on the old channel, on this channel, that I have talked about a product in a way that I don't really like. And it's so disappointing, you guys. I mean, I always give my honest take, good or bad, but you guys, honestly, like I said, anyway, again, I'm still putting it out as a disclaimer before the brand will come and say tarnish their brand image. Except this is the fake that I got. When I find out, I make my research and find out, I'm still going to come on here to let you know if this is the fake or not. But so far for me, beauty formula is cancelled as a skincare product. It is not going to do anything for your hyperpigmentations or any dullness on your skin. It is not. It is in fact going to make your skin even look even duller. Okay, it is not going to glow your skin. It did not glow my skin. It did not improve any mild, okay, or little hyperpigmentation that I have on my skin. Rather, it left my skin worse than it was. Am I going to be repurchasing this particular product? I don't think so. No, I'm not going to be repurchasing this. And that's okay, of course, my loves, brings me to the end of this video. If you've ever tried this or any other product from the Beauty Formula brand, please let me know in the comment section below. Would you be trying this particular one out? Also, let me know in the comment section below. And of course, my darlings, till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.